In this new video, the automatic vectorization tool will be showcased. Since each floor of the building has an independent scan, the one for the working floor is left active, and the Raster Editor tool from the Drawing tab is executed. In this editor, an image and plan of the active point cloud is displayed. Initially, it allows indicating a range of elevations to filter the work area, which is very useful in case several floors were active, etc. Next, the most interesting part of the tool is the image analysis based on the number of points per pixel. To do this, one acts on the density range and controls the visibility of the pixel. In this case, the minimum density control is moved to the right to hide pixels with fewer points. As a result, the pixels that define partitions, walls, or vertical elements remain visible. If the control is forced, the lines of that element are accentuated. Edge filters are applied to the resulting image to automatically vectorize the main lines. For this, the minimum line length to detect is specified, for example, 2 meters, and the minimum distance between lines, to avoid very close parallel lines, in this case, 5 centimeters are indicated. When the Vectorize button is pressed, the image is analyzed and, as can be seen, the main lines of the floor plan are obtained, ignoring many that do not meet the initially indicated values. To do this, the line length is modified, for example to 50 centimeters, and a greater number of lines are automatically obtained. In the representation, it is possible to modify the thickness of the vectors and their vertices. In the Editing tab, the basic drawing and editing tool for such tracing can be found to improve the vectorization result. For this, vertices can be moved and the obtained vectors can be manually corrected, the existing line can be extended, or the intersection point between lines can be obtained, for example, to draw corners that have not appeared in the scanning, etc. It is also allowed to draw polyline and adapt it and join it to the existing one. Deleting lines that are not representative, drawing perpendicular intersections, etc. Finally, the result of the vectorization and its editing is managed with PointCloud Editor through polyline drawn on specific layers, drawn at the average elevation margin shown at the beginning of the tool. This is a quick way to obtain information from the point cloud by analyzing the point density in the plan.